Omete kirege abantu egento kiabe kebe squeeze in expectations.
Yes.
Abantu what expectations chirigoro sana. Naende nabogo promise abantu egento nongote abali none karomo muro okoliye chiko gusokoliye musubati
okoliye mukungu. Yes.
Naboko mote yamangana maya kwa mote ibi egari nimbwate gosere ningole egari weekend ni okomubeka nyomba kwanya ole bintu jiri echi promise jiri kwa manza kwa chakolreke chia change. So far the president egenta kwa ndebintu ebingo promises ngenza bwate vision erigere tumutu. Some of us nabozo kolige today lakini the president maybe is thinking about maybe 5 or 10 years ya mutu. Lakini kwa naki promise chiri amekiri abantu bakumu juma batabona you have made a lot of promises to fulfill those promises is because his vision abwate igo chigere mutwe kubwa bono mtu turaligerere. That guy is so smart naende mbya ko bange bintu
sagero okwanira omurai bwense kwana na chira ekero asekero promises anake umurai bwense gose serikali gaya bono yabirige kwana na chira nabo igoyena na baka timelines lakini kwanya rekera chinga kichiga chikire ebigambire ikirana bono ningo bonete komochwa noyo kwena na chira gose no mwananchi ori okobole ngichira chitaraikirana
komochonte ndete wenzo komochwa sengincho umate promises sinchiro all over abantu ngomeke bale promises. So timeline nero naboko make promises chibwa timeline atena ki for example this program was this project working kia na ya korek ya beire but when kirenga kia nyorobuna program yotara korekana so people should ask why etara korekana puna what ebet so ntubone tukomocha abana inji bina bakoboria but again we need to ask questions. Why is that program not doing what? Ijakuwa implemented hiyo timeline yake ijafika hivyo ndio ikuwa implemented hivyo. Yes.